What if I told you the key to unlocking true financial freedom, to building a life of abundance, isn't some complex stock market strategy or a risky venture? What if it's something you already use every single day? Something so simple, so overlooked, that it's practically invisible. Yet it has the power to make you incredibly, undeniably rich. Stick with me, because in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to reveal how email marketing isn't just about sending messages. It's about minting money. Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Click Rick with Make Money Monster, and today we're diving deep into a topic that most people dismiss, but the smartest entrepreneurs swear by: email marketing. Forget what you think you know. This isn't about spam. It's about building genuine connections that convert into consistent, predictable income. How would you like to have over 1 million people always following your advice to purchase things they need in life, like software, or even maybe like food or clothing? How incredible would that be? By the end of this video, you'll understand why email is your most valuable asset, how shockingly simple it is to get started, and how cutting-edge AI can accelerate your path to wealth. So, why email? In an age dominated by fleeting social media trends, why bother with the humble inbox? Here's the truth. Social media platforms own your audience. They can change algorithms, charge for visibility, or even shut down tomorrow. But your email list? That's yours. It's a direct line to your most engaged audience, an audience you own. Studies consistently show email marketing delivers an average of $42 for every $1 spent. $42. That's an ROI virtually unmatched by any other marketing channel. It's permission-based, personal, and profoundly powerful. Now let's tackle the elephant in the room. Isn't email marketing complicated? Absolutely not. In fact, its simplicity is its genius. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Here's the basic, beautiful truth. Build your list. This starts with a simple sign-up form on your website, blog, or social media. Offer something valuable in exchange for an email, a free guide, an exclusive discount, a mini course. This is called a lead magnet. Send value. Don't just sell, provide value. Share insights, tips, stories, behind-the-scenes content. Build trust and rapport. Make offers. Once you've built that relationship, strategically introduce your products or services. Your audience is pre-warmed, pre-qualified, and ready to buy from someone they know and trust. It's literally that simple. Attract, nurture, offer. But how does this actually make you rich? Let's look at some tangible strategies. Product launches. Got a new course, ebook, or physical product? Your email list is your most powerful launchpad, generating excitement and sales before anyone else even knows about it. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products you genuinely believe in. Send an email recommending a tool or service, and when your subscribers buy, you earn a commission. Passive income at its finest. Drip campaigns and automation. Imagine sending a welcome email, followed by a series of valuable content emails, then leading to an offer, all automatically. Once set up, this funnel works 24/7, even while you sleep. Building a community. An engaged email list becomes a loyal community. Your superfans who will buy from you again and again, and even spread the word for you. This creates a sustainable, long-term income stream. Now let's talk about the game changer. Artificial intelligence. If you thought email marketing was simple before, AI makes it downright effortless and incredibly effective. AI is changing the way the world works by allowing us to use its unbelievable knowledge to improve our life and ways we make money. Writing. Killer copy. Struggling with what to say. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate compelling subject lines that boost open rates, craft engaging email bodies, or even write entire email sequences for you in seconds. Just give it a prompt. Personalization at scale. AI can help analyze your audience data to suggest hyper-personalized content, making each subscriber feel like you're speaking directly to them. This dramatically increases engagement and sales. Content ideas on demand. Stuck for content? Ask AI for blog post ideas, video scripts, or even unique angles for your next newsletter. It's like having a marketing team at your fingertips. Optimizing. Send times. Advanced AI tools can even predict the best time to send emails to individual subscribers for maximum impact. AI isn't replacing human connection, it's amplifying it, allowing you to create more, better, and faster. You're probably thinking, okay, I'm convinced. Where do I start? Here's your simple action plan. Choose an email service provider, ESP. MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact. There are many great options. Most have free plans to get you started. Create a lead magnet. What valuable thing can you offer in exchange for an email? Brainstorm something your target audience desperately wants. Set up a simple sign-up form. Use your ESP to create a form and embed it on your website or share the link. Plan your first email sequence. Start with a welcome email, then 2-3 emails offering pure value before making a soft offer. Start sending and learning. Don't wait for perfection. Send your first email. Analyze your open rates and click-through rates. Adjust and improve. This is a journey, not a sprint. This isn't just theory. Look at every major online business, every successful influencer, every e-commerce brand. They all have one thing in common: a powerful, profitable email list. It's the closest thing to printing money on demand in the digital age. The biggest mindset shift you need to make is viewing every email subscriber not just as an email address, but as a potential long-term customer and advocate for your brand. Treat them well, provide immense value, and they will reward you tenfold. If you're ready to stop leaving money on the table and finally build a consistent, scalable income stream that truly makes you rich, then email marketing is your golden ticket. And guess what? I'm going to keep sharing the absolute best, most actionable strategies to help you get there. So, if you want to unlock more secrets to digital wealth, if you want to be part of a community that's building real financial freedom, then hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now, because you don't want to miss our next video where we dive even deeper into how to craft irresistible lead magnets. Thanks so much for watching. Go out there, start building your list, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep crushing it.